Document creation and editing. Now, let's dive into document creation and editing. To start a new document, click on File, select New, choose a blank document, and once you're in, you can type away. After typing, you can use the Home tab for text formatting. We'll start with the bold, italics, and underline. To make a text bold, select it by clicking at the beginning of the post, holding down the mouse button, and dragging it across the post. Then click on the bold icon under the Home tab. Presto! Your text is now bold. To make a text italics, select it, click on the italics icon under the Home tab. Your text will now be italics. To underline your text, select it, click on the underline icon under the Home tab. Your text will now be underlined. You can also edit your documents by copying, cutting, and pasting. To copy and paste in your document, select the part you want to copy. Click on the copy icon under the Home tab. Click on the part of the document you want to paste it in. Click the paste button under the Home tab. Voila! A duplicate copy of the selected post will appear in the new location. Now, to cut and paste in your document, select the part you want to cut. Click on the cut icon under the Home tab. Click on the part of the document you want to paste it in. Click the paste button under the Home tab. The selected post will appear in the new location. You also have the option of exploring the default Microsoft templates when you are creating a new document. Click on File, select New, scroll down to see a list of available templates. As you can see, you have templates for reports, letters, resumes, blog posts, and more. Select the one you like and type away. These word editing features are designed to make your workflow smooth and efficient. As you can see, it's all at your fingertips.